ever feel like court cases, They're just this big game of chess, and whoever brings in the flashiest expert witness, they automatically win. It's like, does truth even matter anymore, or is it all just for show? We're diving into all that today, the world of expert testimony, and what makes a great one, and what makes some, well, less reliable.
It's definitely a field that's, full of nuance, for sure. People like to think it's black and white, experts right or wrong, case closed. But we're going to, untangle that a bit. The pressures on these experts, what can go wrong, and how it all impacts the legal system as a whole. It's way bigger than one case, you see.
Okay, so this source we've got, they went deep on the ethics of it all. And honestly, you'd think with lawyers breathing down their necks, pushing for their side, that objectivity would kind of go out the window. But it seems most experts, they really value their reputations.
Oh, absolutely. It's their currency.
Yeah.
Think of it like a surgeon. Their whole career is built on their track record.
Right.
A hired gun, someone who's, more interested in advocating for a specific outcome than giving a truly unbiased analysis. They lose credibility fast.
Makes sense, because their opinions, those better hold up under pressure. Right. What happens when they don't? When an expert's testimony kind of falls apart in court?
Oh, that's where it gets fun, at least for the other side. A good opposing counsel, they live for that. They'll dismantle that biased testimony piece by piece, and it can tank the whole case. Not to mention what it does to the lawyer who hired them. Their reputation takes a hit, too, Like, I read this one case, this expert witness, kind of known for, let's say, being a bit too cozy with certain law firms, had their analysis totally blown apart in this huge case. Their career never really recovered. And the lawyer, let's just say they got a reputation for cutting corners.
Yikes. Talk about high stakes. So it's not just about, winning that one case. This other source, they said, relying on iffy experts, it actually hurts the whole legal system.
100%.
Yeah.
Because if you can't trust the expert opinions that are shaping these big decisions, everything from what products are safe to, well, criminal convictions, it erodes the whole foundation. You can't have a fair system if nobody trusts the experts, right?
Right.
Like historically, think about, well, you remember, expert speaker provides a concise, relevant historical example.
Right, of course. Okay, so next time I'm watching, court TV or something, can't just assume any expert they put on is being straight with us. So how do we get better at spotting that as, just people bombarded with information all the time?
It's about cultivating that critical eye. Don't just take an expert opinion at face value. You got to ask, what's influencing their perspective? Does their analysis hold water? What's their track record like? Are they consistently objective? That critical thinking, it's crucial, not just in the courtroom, but in life,
Love it. So it's our deep dive homework, right? Next time we're listening to the news, reading an article, heck, even watching a trial, we got to put on those detective hats.
Yeah.
Really think about what these experts are saying and why they might be saying it.
Exactly. That healthy skepticism, it'll take you far.
Yeah.
Whether it's expert testimony or honestly just navigating the world of information these days, got to be savvy.